Do you want a powerful and gorgeous gaming PC that can run anything in 2024 and all of that under $2,000? Look no further, because today we have a banger of a PC build with the i9 3900K, because the 14th gen isn't worth the upgrade, and the RTX 4070 Ti because we don't want to break the bank with the 4080 or the 4090. And paired with that we have a 64GB of DDR5 RAM, 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, and the 1000 watts power supply. And the beautiful part is the Asus TUF GT502, which is still my favorite mid-tower case, and we hooked this up with 10 RGB fans for maximum airflow. This case can take 13 fans, by the way. You can't tell me this isn't a beautiful build for the price.